everybody, as we've already unboxed the latest Oral-B, today is my turn to unbox the latest DiamondClean Smart Sonicare toothbrush. It's the 9500. So let's do this together. I'm going to unbox it. It's a smart toothbrush. You can download the app for free on your phone, so that as you are brushing your teeth, it has sensors and it will give you feedback. It has one head for one handle for the 3 toothbrush heads that it comes with. And these are the 3 toothbrushes. This is your tongue scraper. Oftentimes people ask me and I tell them they can use their normal toothbrushes, but this one comes with its own tongue scraper. I'm gonna have a look here because, yes, this is the Premium Plaque Defense head. This is the Premium Gum Care, and once you put this on, just to show you guys for an example, it should, as soon as I turn it on, it actually states which head you're putting it on, okay? So once you put the box away, you don't have to read your box to get the answer. And this one is the Premium White Brush Head, okay? So that's that. Now, you have your charging glass. And there you go. That's that. And a travel kit, as we are all looking forward to traveling this year. Sonicare has made it easy by having a lovely travel kit to put your toothbrush in and a USB right there. And then to charge it, it's simple. You put it in one of the sockets and just leave it on this glass and charge away. Okay, as I normally tell you guys, I'm very happy for you to use the electric toothbrush, but my concern in the past was always that you don't press too hard. Because if you're pressing too hard and the toothbrush is actually doing some work as well, you may cause gum recession. So now with the smart app that can detect the pressure, and with the knowledge that you all have, basically just a tip that I say all the time, if this is a tooth, I like you to hold it just robotically on each tooth and move on to the next one, okay? Rather than doing so much motion with your hands, because it's already doing the vibrating action for you. Versus the normal toothbrush, I have you hold it and manually you have to do your circles, or if you have gum recession, I ask people to brush away and lift their hands, brush away from the gums, okay? So going downward for the top teeth and upward for the bottom teeth. But with this one, just hold it and move on to the next tooth, okay? Few seconds on each tooth and on every surface. Remember, we have the front side of the tooth, the top side, the back side, and then as much as it can go in between, but don't forget, now this is not part of the unboxing, but it's always flossing, flossing, flossing. So this was the unboxing of our latest Sonicare 9500. Hope you guys enjoyed it.